All right, now, as you can see, the crossover has happened between the purple and orange lines, which is our first signal. But before making a move, we need confirmation, and that comes from the Fractal Chaos Bands. Looking closely, we can see that a clear slope has formed in the fractal bands, confirming the trend direction. With both signals aligning, the crossover and the downward slope, this is a strong confirmation for a sell trade. So based on this setup, I decided to enter a sell position right here, expecting the market to continue moving lower. Now let's monitor how this trade plays out. As long as the purple line remains below the orange line, I'll continue holding the trade since this confirms that the downtrend is still intact. However, when it comes to setting a profit target, we need to take overbought and oversold zones into account for better decision making. According to this strategy, I typically stay in the trade until either 1. A crossover happens in the opposite direction, signaling a potential trend reversal. 2. A fractal chaos band slope forms in the opposite direction, confirming a shift in momentum. But sometimes, like in this case, we see an important exception. The market has entered the oversold zone. This means the price has dropped significantly and a reversal could be near. So instead of waiting for a crossover or slope change, a smart move here is to book profits when the RSI crosses back above the 30 level. At this moment, the trade is going really well, and the profit has already crossed $3,000. That's a great position to be in. Now, instead of booking profits right away, I've decided to take on a bit more risk and stay in the trade because the purple line is still below the orange line, which means the downtrend is still strong. Well, sometimes taking a little extra risk pays off, and sometimes the market has other plans. This time, my plan to stay in the trade didn't quite work out as expected. I noticed that a slope has formed in the fractal chaos bands, signaling a possible reversal. At the same time, the RSI crossover has also happened, which adds further confirmation that the trend might be shifting. Since both of these key signals are aligning, it's the right time to close the trade and lock in profits. Even though I was hoping for more, I still managed to book a solid $2,000 profit. I hope you found this strategy helpful and easy to understand. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.